Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the XLF F22A, but it's not specifically this car that this upgrade is for. It's for any car that has a 3-wire servo. If you don't have a gyro on your receiver, they're not too expensive, but if you already own a 2-channel, 3-channel, 4-channel, 6-channel without a gyro, you can pick up this little Dingson. Now, I've seen it priced anywhere from $4 US to $12 US. I purchased 2 of them and both of them work exactly the same way. So, you can basically take a car that does not have a gyro, like this one, and you can fit it in. And as you can see here, I have already fitted it onto my car. Now, very, very simple. You take the 3-wire servo out of the receiver. In this case, it's the ESC receiver. Then you plug this into the ESC receiver, or just your receiver, and that into your servo, as you can see by this here. I'm not going to take it out and show you. It is really that basic, but if I start taking it out, you know I'm going to plug it back in incorrectly. And what that does is it upgrades your car to have a gyro on it. Now, okay, for some reason it wouldn't turn on there, but I suspect that's more the battery than anything because this has not been charged up since I recorded the unboxing. So I need to charge this up before I take it outside. Now, if you don't know what a gyro does to your car, basically it's a lot faster than how you could react. So if your car starts to slide like that, it will turn the wheels to counteract the slide. Much faster than what we can do it as humans. So it takes about 5-10 seconds to set it up. Make sure that your car is on a flat surface, and as you can see, my one is mounted sideways. You have to mount it sideways because that's how the gyro works. If you put it that way, it will not work. And sometimes in one of my cars I had to have it that way. Now the brilliance with this little Dingson, this little gyro kit, is you can have it in your bigger cars. I put it into the Cheetah, I put it into the BX 8E. I haven't yet put it into the ZD Racing EX07, but it needs it, trust me. So, let me show you it in action. I will just get rid of this. Okay, so here it is in action. Right, ready? So, works very, very well. I tried driving this on the roof just a moment ago to see if I can show you the effects of it, but of course it's quite difficult because this isn't a drifting vehicle. But what it should be very good at is basically controlling it in a straight line. If you remember with this one, I was having problems keeping it a straight line, mostly because the servo wasn't plugged in properly, but also because it's quite fast and it's got these big tyres. So what I thought we could do is take it with the gyro to the tarmac and see if it keeps it in a straight line any better. What do you reckon? Let's find out. exactly what we've got before, but you see how much easier it is to control now. Well, I hope you saw what we just saw. So much more controllable in a straight line. The last time that we drove it, I did not feel like I was in control of it when we were doing it on the tarmac. Now, it was as straight as a bullet. Very impressive indeed. So for the 4, 5, 6 euros you can pick up one of these for, is it worth it? It's an absolute no-brainer. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.